All right, on your beater bars and widespread, you have a chain or a spring right here, and this sets your tension and keeps your tension on your chain. If this ever breaks, what you're going to want to do is come up front, and on the rod that runs down the side here in front in the corner there's a cotter pin. You're going to want to remove the cotter pin, pull the rod out. After you pull the rod out, then you can push this forward or backwards, and when you do, it'll flex right here in the center and push the spring in. And that gives you a little bit of extra leeway to maneuver to get the rod out and to put the new spring on. Once you have it out of the keeper right here, and you'll be able to pull this back, flip it up, and pull it out of the notches. You'll notice it's a flat stock here. And then there's notches cut on both sides, so you'll need to flip this back this way once the rod is unattached. Then you'll be able to turn it and pop that straight out. Now, the only other thing that happens is once in a while, after years of use, the chain will start to get too much slack in it. If that happens and the spring keeps coming undone, but the spring is not broken, then what you need to do is locate the master link on the chain. You'll take the back keeper off the back of the master link, and it's a retaining clip. You pull the retaining clip off, remove the keeper, pull out the master link, and then you'll need to grind off one of the tabs on each end and remove a link of chain. And then put the master link back in, and you're back in business.